everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury, and I am here. I'm super excited to announce my 4th annual Halloween Challenge giveaway. And I debated on to wait a little bit to start it because I had just got done with my 2K and birthday challenge that I was doing. But guys, I'm ready to get on it. I'm just super excited. And I have a tabletop black Christmas tree. And I was going to decorate it and put it in my office at work. And then I thought, you know what would be really neat? Not only to decorate it, but to have that to be what my Halloween challenge this year would be. So, please use the hashtag #FuryHalloweenTree. That way I can find you and be able to go over and check it out. And here are the rules. Must be 18 years or older. Must be a visible subscriber. A VR on YouTube or Instagram would be so appreciated to get the word out on my challenge. I would just really appreciate that. Now, the only thing I'm requesting is to send a handmade Halloween ornament with a hanging element, because, you know, I have officially put you in the binder. I officially put you in the box. I have officially put you on the ring. I have officially put you on the canvas. And so I was thinking, okay, now what am I officially going to do this year? So I thought that I could officially add you to my Halloween family tree. And I love that. Now, the ornament can be any shape, color, or size. And the tree is not a huge tree. So I think this is like a 2-inch circle, and this just kind of gives you an idea. This could be an ornament, and I could just tie the hanging element. Do you hear my Sookie down there squalling? And something like this. Probably don't want anything bigger than this. But it doesn't have to be circle shaped. It could be any shaped. You could do like the shape of, let's see. Well, you could do the shape of her and punch a hole right here and have her as a hanging element. Him also, you could do that as a hanging element. So the sky's the limits, guys. Sky's the limit. And so that's what I would like for this challenge. And if you do not do Halloween, no problem whatsoever. You can send a fall ornament and you'll be officially added to my fall family tree. So no problem whatsoever. So Halloween or fall is perfect with me. No extras, please. Let's keep those shipping costs down. They are horrible right now. All entries must be postmarked by October 31st on Halloween. That way, if you do mail on Halloween on the 31st, please let me know so I'll know to look for them. And then just give me about a week or so after that, and I will draw the first prize. And I will put all of this information down below, and it'll have my email and my mailing address. And I guess you're wondering what first prize is going to be. Well, on my Road to 2K challenge, I had the drive, what was it? The drive set for the prize. And so, for Spellbinders. Well, the first prize for this giveaway is going to be the Open House I Want It All die set. And guys, I almost kept this one for myself also. And let me show you what's in this. You are going to get the door base. What, Suki? So you're going to get the door base. And that's what that looks like. You are going to get the happy birthday to decorate the door base. That's what that is. Super cute. You are going to get the Easter. And that's what's in those dies there. And of course, look at the Halloween. So stinking cute. And so that's those. You will also get the Valentine's one. And that's those. And there is a little bit of more that goes to the Halloween. And here is the door decorations on the sides. Here's fall for Thanksgiving. Thankful. And here is another set, and it says thankful, grateful, and blessed. And look how cute that is to decorate your door base for fall and Thanksgiving. And here is, this one says, I can't read that, but it's got like all of the flower pots and then the garlands and stuff like that. So you don't even have to use all of these for this door base, but this is the set that will be first prize. Okay? Now, what's Suki? She's wanting some attention. So this is first prize. Guys, if I get 50, and I did not write this down, and I need to do that. Where's my pen? Where's my pen? Where's my pen? Okay. So if I get 50 entries, what? There'll be a second prize. Okay? And this will be perfect. You'll have plenty of time to use this stamp and die set. This is from Honeybee Stamps. And this is a set from, they put this out last year. And I thought that I would save it for this year. And this is this not adorable? You get the stamp and the coordinating dies. Look at those little scarecrows. Are those not adorable? So if I get 50, this will be the second prize. Okay? Now, I've been very, very close to 100 entries. And this is the year that I feel like I have hit a bunch of just absolutely wonderful milestones. And if I hit 100 entries with this, Suki's scratching the snot out of me. I'm sorry. If I hit 100 entries, I will add a third prize. And guys, I have this set and I love it, love it, love it. So if I hit 100 entries, the third prize will be this, the Spellbinders Charming Cottage die. And I'm going to put the Spooky Cottage add-on to this. Now this is your base. And I believe you can use this for Christmas. Now you can use this for any holiday. And they have different holidays that you can put on here. But going to get you started. So here's your Christmas one. And then look at this. This is your Halloween one. I love, love, love this. So stinking cute. So If I get 100, these will be the prizes. And guys, I want to give back. I want to thank you for always supporting me and helping me to make my goals. Because without you, I wouldn't do this. You know, I wouldn't, because I've made so many friends. So thank you guys so very much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it, and I hope you join in. And just comment down below. May God bless each and every one of you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.